Hello guys, welcome today. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, a regular Sudoku Heavy in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, July the 9th, almost weekend. Tomorrow Saturday, yes. But first we have one regular Sudoku to go, a Sudoku Heavy. Yes, Sudoku Heavy, how heavy I do not know, but this will be number 3070. Yes, 3070. By the way, there's also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 7 extra puzzles. But first we will solve this baby. And this baby, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 stars, in the additional, this Sudoku Heavy will be a 4 star. Yeah, and for 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Alright, so how heavy? I do not know. We will see. 24 printed digits. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Yes. How about the number? Let me see. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this middle column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this big square. So no 2 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 9. The other pair in the middle column should be the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, so we have a 6 in the third row. 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. Then 7 and 8. Okay. Yeah. Let me see. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see there 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. There 2. No 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 9. Alright. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I'm thinking how to solve 1 5 in the third 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright. And now, let me see. And now, Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the second row is the number 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. In the second row, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are, well, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. So the 8 goes together with the 7 as a pair. Those two boxes. So what are the other two numbers in this row? The second row for the numbers 4 and 9. 4 and 9 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes, 9 and 4. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 7, 8 and the 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. So this box can also not be a 4. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes. So one box left for the 4 should be there. So these two boxes in this big square should be the 7 and 8. Alright. But we have an 8 in one of those 3 boxes. Yes. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. One box left in the second row for the number 7. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1 or 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 in this column, last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 7, 6, 9. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing in this column. We see here 4, there 4, so no 4s in those two boxes. So one box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a 9. 7 and a 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. No. We have a 4 there. 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Let me mark those two boxes. 2 and 6. That means the other pair should be 9 and a 4. Let me mark those. 9 and a 4. Alright. So the 7 is missing. And the 7 and a 6. Okay. 1, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So one box left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 and 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. That means the other two numbers in this big square. 1, 3, 6. The other should be the other two numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes. 2 and 7. Here the 1 is missing in this big square, the 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Alright, 3 missing numbers. In the last row, one of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. 3 and a 6, and look, we have a 6 there. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 2 and a 7. The other pair should be the 1 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, the 1 goes there. Alright, so we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2, 7, 6, 2. Okay. 6. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes here. Alright. So we have a 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4. Wait. No, I cannot continue with the 4. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this third column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. There 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 1. Number 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes here. Alright. Then now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 5 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. So we have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between, the second column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, and no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. Alright. How about the 2 is also completed, and all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 2. Alright. How about the 4? No, the 4 not. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between, the second column. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 6. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 4, 9 and 4, 9 and 4. We see here a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. Alright. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 4. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright, great. Sudoku Heavy. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. I will give this a 2 stars. Yes. 2 stars for this Sudoku Heavy. And I like this one. Yes, I like this one very much. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. So there's a bunch of great Sudokus available on my channel. Yes, you can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Sudoku Heavies, playlists for the Sudoku Light. I have also a playlist for the medium Sudoku, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Playlist for the ladder Sudoku, for the quintuplet, for the all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel, subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. We will meet again later on with the rest of the puzzles in additional. Otherwise, have a great weekend. See you tomorrow on Saturday. Bye bye for now. See you soon.